says live on Facebook.
I should slide this over just a smidge. Okay.
I see. Let me turn my volume off.
There we are.
My volume's off. I see 2 people watching.
Oh, you do?
Marianne and Susan are watching already.
Ginger? Oh, how fun. Okay, so we're trying something new. We've not tried this before, so.
Yes, there's Ginger. All right, now let me see how to do watch party.
Yes, I think you can do, I think you can do a watch party from there, hopefully.
There we go. Watch this video with a group.
Awesome. Hey, Belinda.
On my page.
We're figuring out our technology, so we're trying to do this together, right? And share it on the Facebook group from Zoom so that we could both talk to you. So hopefully we're doing that, and we will jump right in. Give a few minutes for people to jump on.
Yeah.
Dana, did you get it?
I think this is gonna work. I think it will. It wants me to type a thing.
Cool.
So, yeah.
Yay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, that's not how you spell escape. I didn't even spell escape. I spelled A-I-I-I-cape.
It's all good. You can edit it later.
Oh, that's so funny.
Glad to see you. Hey, Karen.
Here we go. All right. So I think, yeah, I think it's good.
All right, let's get started.
Yay! Oh, that's so cool. I can see live video comments and watch party comments side by side.
Oh, you can? That's so cool. I didn't know that could happen. Who knew?
Yes. Let me.
You're going to show me on your phone. That's so cool. I guess it's because you're on your phone?
Yeah.
That's neat. Okay.
So sure.
All right.
Sure. All right. So I see Irma with her face. That's cool. Irma's doing the hand. That's awesome.
Cool.
Awesome. We've got folks coming in. Oh yeah, there's quite a bit of a delay though from what I'm seeing with you here and what I'm seeing on the watch party. So our comments may be really delayed, but that's okay. Yeah, I can see everything. I see Miss Debbie. Very cool.
All right.
So maybe as far as the live video comments, maybe you can help us keep track on those so that they're a little quicker in response.
Hopefully.
Instead of on my end, because it looks like quite a bit of a delay on my end.
I think I've got a pretty good delay as well. Hey, Amelia, so glad you could join in. Okay. All right, so yeah, let's just jump in and hopefully be able to answer any questions and fun stuff for that. Yay?
Yay, I'm so excited. Hello, everybody. How are you this evening? Wendy and I are so excited that you all are here because we are going to be talking about our upcoming Snowflake Splendor Holiday Stampin' Escape. And it's going to be a lot of fun. It's coming up very soon. But registration is also ending very soon on the 8th of September. But the event is going to start on Friday evening, October the 9th. So we've got a few weeks to get ready, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And so we're coming on live tonight to tell you all about the event and have so much fun. while we do it. I am not as straight-faced as they were. So let me tell you just a little bit. If you've not participated in one of our Stampin' Escapes before, you get a lot of good stuff in the kit. You're going to get supplies, which Miss Wendy's going to tell us about here in just a minute. And you're getting 12 project kits, which are absolutely gorgeous. You're going to love them. And so, Wendy, are you ready to start telling folks all about this amazing kit?
Yes. All right. So I want to make sure that everybody knows what they're getting in their kit. So we are, let's see if I can hold this up so you can see it. So we are packaging everything up in a bag, and it will be labeled so you'll know what it is for. And you're going to have a half a pack of the Balmy Blue glitter paper, a half a pack of the Snowflake Splendor paper, the Snowflake Wishes stamp set, and the Snowflake embossing folder is in there. And Jean, I need to follow up with you on that, so don't let me forget to call you. And the awesome blue gems, and then we've got a yard of each of 8 different ribbons. Yay! And then you'll also have your 12 right? So let me show you one of the project kits. All 12 will be in your package, and they will all, each of them will be labeled and packaged separately so that you won't have to sort through piles of stuff and figure out what goes together and all that fun stuff. So it'll tell you what the project is. And then your tutorials and videos will be shared the day of the event in the Facebook group. So yay, 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 yay.
So exciting.
What else on that? Is that it?
Oh gosh. I think you got pretty much all of it. We're going to have a great time, lots of fun, live videos, interactions, fun stuff.
Okay, so I do also want to tell you that there is a bonus class that you can purchase. It's an additional, I think it's 55, is that right? Let me look.
Yep, 55.
Yes, additional $55. There's a bonus class. It's actually several classes in one, but that packet is going to look like this. And it has a half pack of designer paper, a half a pack of Memories and More, some gems in there, and a couple spools of ribbon. And again, all your packets are going to be inside that kit. And my project is 10 fabulous Christmas cards. And Dana's project is a set of 25 holiday Christmas countdown ornaments that are really cute. Yes, there as well. So we're really excited about all of these projects and think that you're going to get a great value. Everything's going to be cleanly marked. You'll know what it is. So if for any reason you cannot join us on the day of the event and you open this 2 years later, you still can do it. Yay.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Okay.
That's great. And they're getting so much stuff. I mean, you really are getting a lot of stuff in the project kit as well as in the bonus kit. I mean, just the projects themselves are a great value. And then you're getting all the extra stuff on top of it.
Yes. Yes. So the regular kit is $119. And it included everything that I showed. You can add the dies on, the coordinating dies, if you'd like to. And if for any reason you've already got the stamp set and dies, just message us and let us know and we can trade it out. No problem. We're happy to do that.
Absolutely.
And then the bonus class, again, is an optional add-on. The only way you can get the bonus class, though, we're not going to sell this separately later. So the only way to do it is part of the escape. And it is an additional 55.
Right.
Yes. Perfect.
Now, when Wendy and I were talking about the bonus class and we were going through the supplies, and the Memories and More pack itself had tons of stuff in it, didn't it?
Yeah,
I mean, there's still a lot of stuff left over in it, even after you do both of our projects. And I mean, 25 ornaments and 10 cards, and there's still a lot of stuff left over. That's really cool.
Yeah. Yeah. It'll be fun.
Awesome.
We'll have a good time.
Awesome. Yay. Now, Wendy, did you mention when you were talking about adding on the dies, that if they add the dies on during their kit order, they'll actually get the bundle price for the dies and free shipping for the dies, right? Because we're just going to include it in the kit.
Yes, so it is a
That's awesome too.
price. Somebody's asking about dates. Yes, so the registration date again ends on September 8th. So that is your last time you can register. And then the actual event will be on October. I don't know where I'm going. October.
Not there yet.
Yes. So we're going to kick it off the evening of October 9th, and then the event will be during the day on October 10th. And if you're not available to be there live with us, it's fine. Everything's going to be posted throughout the day, and then we'll have some extra bonus stuff that you can participate in, chances to earn prizes and all that fun stuff. But if you can't be there live with us, it's okay. Everything's recorded. You'll be able to go back and access all the content. So
yeah, and once you're in the group, you'll be able to be in there forever until Facebook closes it down. We'll leave it open all the time. So the videos will all be there, the video links, the PDFs will all be saved in the files, so everything will be neat and tidy and ready for you. Awesome.
Perfect.
Very good.
Oh, Karen, you're asking about getting on the Zoom. So the Zoom is really just so that Dana and I can talk to you guys at the same time. So we didn't open the Zoom up to everyone. So we're just streaming on the Facebook. So we're watching for your questions. If you've got any questions, just let us know and we will answer those questions for you guys. Good?
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome.
All right. So one more thing I wanted to bring up. If you are not a Facebook user, well, then you are a Facebook user, because if you're watching us live, you're a Facebook user.
Right.
But if later you are watching this recording on YouTube and you are not a Facebook user, no worries. We will email you the content. So you will have all the tutorials, all the videos. So you won't miss anything from that perspective. Sadly, you won't be able to participate in the bonus content that you're going to get in the Facebook group, but you will still get a fabulous value with the projects themselves. What else?
Yeah, absolutely. You know, I want to go totally rogue here for a minute, something we didn't even talk about, and ask you some questions.
Oh, great. Okay. Surprise.
This would be fun. Surprise.
Maybe I need a different partner. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, Miss Wendy, out of all the projects that you've done for this Stampin' Escape,
okay,
tell me in as few words as possible, which one is your favorite?
At the regular escape or the bonus?
Let's do the regular escape.
Okay. I'm going to say it's the pop-up gift card holder.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Okay, now what's one? You love what?
I love fun folds.
Uh-oh. Oh, yes. Fun folds are fun, and you're really good at them too, so that's a really good project.
You're sweet. What's your favorite project that you did?
I think my favorite project is... That's a hard question, isn't it?
It is.
Boy, I really put you on the spot, didn't I?
I know, and I like them all, but yeah, it's...
Okay, I think probably the floating gatefold card.
Oh yeah, that is a good one. Lots of fun on that one. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, it is a lot of fun. That was a really fun project. This is so exciting. I really like all of the projects, and that glimmer paper.
So pretty.
So nice.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
I like we're using a wide variety of ribbons with the kit. Oh, Jean, you love fun folds too. Yes. Yay. So we've got some in this escape. We also have some cool techniques that we're going to show you on a few of the projects. So you get to try out a couple of things that you may have tried before or may not have tried before. So that'll be fun as well.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we've got a really good assortment of projects. I mean, we've got what, treat holders, gift packaging, gift card holder, tags, cards, all kinds of good stuff.
Yep.
All kinds of good stuff. Ah,
Yay. All right.
I'm so excited for it.
Yeah, it's going to be a good time, and I hate for anybody to miss out on it. So hopefully you guys will decide to join us. So
that's right.
Karen's
That's
learning
right.
to love fun folds. Oh, okay, Karen, we'll get you there. They're a lot of fun.
Oh yeah.
And these aren't, we didn't go too crazy on the fun folds. They're fun folds, but they're not too terribly hard, I don't think. We tried to keep it not like that tricorn crazy card I did last year. That was a little excessive. Anyway.
Yeah.
So, all right.
Yeah, but you know, I think that with our tutorial videos, we're pretty good, I think, about going slow and steady enough that even a beginner can do some of these more advanced projects, and it just helps everybody feel more secure in their abilities, because anybody can do any of these projects. They're a lot of fun and they're really good.
Yeah, and of course we're available for any questions that you've got during the event. So if you've got questions, we can help you guys with those as well.
Absolutely. Well, this has been a lot of fun, Wendy. Is there anything else you can think of? I think we've covered pretty much everything.
Yeah, I think we've got it. Oh, Jean says tags are fun too, especially when she makes them into cards, if she makes too many. You're with me, yeah. Or I'm with you, I guess.
Yeah.
I have done a lot of that as well. Yes. Yes. I all I had, unless people have questions, happy to answer any questions that anybody's got.
Absolutely.
Let me recap the dates real quick. So again, registration ends September 8th, which is next week, right? It's coming up before we know it. I believe tomorrow.
Yeah, very quick.
September. So September 8th is registration deadline. And then the event, the main event is going to be on October 10th throughout that day. And we will do a kickoff event on October 9th. But everyone that's registered will get an agenda ahead of time with more information. So, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yay!
Oh, Belinda likes the sneak peek. So yay.
Oh, awesome.
Did you guys notice our subtle projects floating across the screen?
Except not so subtle, because I cracked up and couldn't help myself.
All right. Thank you guys so much for joining us tonight. We appreciate it. And hopefully you'll give us a shot with the Stampin' Escape and join us for all the fun.
Yes. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful night.
All right. Bye.